Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can add welcome message to groups in Google Groups. Let's begin. First, open groups. Once you're here, click on My Groups on the left panel or left section. Click on this gear icon, Group Settings. And from here, scroll down a little bit and you will see this section, Welcome Message. From here, you could just freely type or just do anything you want in the message. For example, welcome to the group, share, have fun. That's it, right? Then, of course, you can change the font. You can also change the size, text color, everything. Especially, you can add or insert a photo attachment. But this feature doesn't really have an option to browse from your drive. So simply paste the image URL or directly search from Google Images. You can now close this. Once done, make sure to hit Save Changes. Wait for a few seconds. And there you go. It shows in here that it might take a couple of minutes for this feature or for these changes or for the changes to integrate in your groups. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.